What up, y'all? It's Dominec369, and today I'm going to drop a video later on, Mercury retrograde through all the houses. But in this video, I'm going to give y'all the game and help you really understand the energy of retrogrades, because there's a lot of people telling y'all, oh, retrograde, Mercury retrograde, everything's going to go bad. Retrograde is the best thing that can happen to you. During the transit, the retrograde is the best thing that can happen to you. I explain to you all the time, your natal chart is basically your operating system. It's the owner manual that helps you understand how your soul, your mind, and your body function during this incarnation. So when a planet transits through your chart, it goes through the signs and through the houses. Each time a planet comes into a different house in a different sign, it brings a different type of energy, like a software update, to your soul and to your consciousness. So when the planet goes retrograde, it goes back and gives you an opportunity to look at how you've been assimilating the software update into your system. If you're not properly assimilating the software update into your system, then the retrograde is going to bring you problems. But if you're taking the software update from the planetary energy traveling into a different sign or into a different house, and you're using it well, you're using it to grow, you're using it to advance the energy on that stage of the house that the planet is traveling through, the retrograde, it isn't going to do nothing but help you learn to use that energy better, to refine that update, that software update, which is an energetic update on us, But if we compare ourselves to computers, which we're very much alike, then you'll understand, like, the planets transiting through your chart is just like a software update. Retrograde, the planet goes back over the area that it came through, going through your houses, and it checks to make sure that the software update is going good, that there aren't no bugs. But most of the time, people aren't on their job. They're trying to be what they've been taught to be. So the software update has a lot of bugs in it. Stop fearing retrograde, welcome it, and check your own bullshit behavior when that software update comes. You want to know about transits? I got a good book on transits by Robert Hand. Let me find it right quick. And I showed y'all this book before, The Planets in Transit. Now this is a teaching book. And when you're looking at a teaching book, it's going to have the good and the bad of the transits. So don't take it as law. And one transit don't control the whole situation, because there's other things going on in the chart at the same time. So if you're not ready to really sit down and learn about transits, don't get caught up, because you're just going to get yourself trapped in fear and on bullshit. So if you're not ready to sit down and really learn and understand the fullness of your chart, don't get into the advanced things like transits and stuff. Stick to learning your chart. I'll holler at y'all later in this Mercury retrograde video. Peace.